Good morning student, myself Aman. I am going to teach 6th standard history subject. The next chapter name is Indus Valley Civilization. First of all, introduction. Indus Valley Civilization was discovered by Mr. Dyaram Sani and it was developed near about 2500 BC and 1500 BC and belonged to the Indus Valley. So that's why it is called the Indus Valley Civilization. So this civilization was popularly known as the Indus Valley Civilization. Next, town planning of the Indus Valley Civilization, how their town was classified and divided and developed. Cities and towns were divided into two parts, upper parts and lower parts, and upper parts are also known as the citadels. Citadels, it was built on the raised areas with high walls that provide protection against the floods and during the war also. It was used mainly by the ruling class like king, officials and rulers, and includes public buildings like granaries and religious building etc. like Great Bath also. The lower parts of the cities were much bigger and contained the houses and workplaces of the common people. So that was town planning during the Indus Valley Civilization, where houses and cities was divided into two parts. And the next topic of same chapter is the religion of the Indus Valley Civilization. So Indus Valley Civilization or Harappan peoples mostly worshipped the trees and animals. People tree was regarded as a sacred tree. A three-faced figure surrounded by tiger, rhinos and buffalo and an elephant is also found, and it is popularly known as a Lord Shiva or as a Pashupati. The picture is given in your book. The most important animal to be worshipped also was a humped bull. And Harappan's people also believed that there is a life after death. So they buried their dead bodies with ornaments and other valuable things which belong to dead person. So that is a religious belief and religion of the Indus Valley Civilization. The next is a script. Script means the art of writing. So Harappan people also developed art of writing. Nearly 400 signs have been found, but historians have not been able to read the script. So it is some kind of pictographic script, means like a pictures. So next one is a decline of Indus Valley Civilization, how it was destroyed and declined. So some writers believe that Harappan cities were destroyed by invaders and who could have been Aryans. By Aryans they may be destroyed. And others believe that natural causes like floods, earthquakes, diseases might have destroyed the civilization. But most important reason is that river Indus might have changed its course and turned the region into deserts. So maybe that's why it was declined. And the civilization was declined. So in this we have discussed about the religion, script, and how Indus civilization was declined. So the next topic of same chapter is agriculture. The main occupation of Indus Valley Civilization was agriculture, and they mainly grown wheat, rice, mustard, sesame, and barley. People also eat meat, fish, eggs. Fruit milks were also popular. And they domesticated the animals like goat, sheep, pigs, and they use asses and camels for as a beasts of burden, means for carrying the burden from one place to another. The next one is the dress and ornaments that was worn by the Indus Valley Civilization. So mainly people wore both cotton and woolen cloths, and men wore two pieces of clothes, shawl they wore on their upper part of the body, and the lower garments was like a dhoti, and women wore short skirts tied at their waist, and both men and women like ornaments. Women mostly wore necklace, bracelets, bangles and earrings, and men wore amulets. And the jewelry of gold made from gold, silver was very popular, and poor people wore mostly jewelry made of bone, copper and shell. The next one is amusement, means how they use their leisure time. People enjoyed indoor games rather than outdoor games. Their toys like small clay carts, figures of animals, rattles, whistles and dolls have been found. Next one is a trade and occupation. Trade in the trade, Harappan civilization or Indus Valley civilization not only carried on internal trade but also they have a external trade relationship with the many countries like modern Iraq and Afghanistan, Egypt and Iran. Varieties of weight and measures they were used for the trade system. The barter system was very popular during that time. They carried on internal trade with the places located in the modern Karnataka, Rajasthan and Kashmir. So 3 topics we have discussed. First one, dress and ornaments. Second, amusement, and third is a trade. So thanks and have a nice day.